Hello viewers. We are at Pro AV Competence Days at Mobile Studio of AV IT channel. And my guest is
Vladimir Hristov, thank you very much. I'm Senior Sales Manager in Blackmagic, responsible for DACH in Eastern Europe. And my great pleasure being here with you.
You are here in Krakow for the first time.
Yes, very beautiful city, and yeah, looking forward to come back again.
What products do you propose here at Pro AV Competence Days as Blackmagic Design brand?
Very good question, and I think I can start with what you're already using from Blackmagic, and we are very excited to see a complete mobile studio built on the base of Blackmagic, and we have a really good mix of studio cameras. We have the big URSA broadcast G2, we have pocket cameras, and using our ATEM switcher. So it's the best example how Blackmagic can help companies like you to do your job and create nice content.
That's true. You don't see the setup, but the setup is prepared with 3 cameras of Blackmagic Design here, which are quite smart and have beautiful look, cinematic look.
Yes, cinematic look, thank you.
Which customers are you interested in as Blackmagic Design brand?
Again, very good question. Blackmagic started long time ago, focus on the film industry, on the post-production with our first decklink cards. But since then, we build a bright portfolio. We have from converters, which can help everyone who needs to do any film production, till film scanners. So we have customers from the broadcast, traditional broadcaster, TV channels, through the traditional film productions, but more and more we see customers from Pro AV world, corporate customers, sports, gaming, digital radio, till even the guy who is doing content for the YouTube. So we try to give everyone a tool to be creative.
And one of the best tool, I think, is the edition tool, DaVinci Resolve.
Yes, this is, I think, it's one of our success stories. When a long time ago, when we acquired the company DaVinci Resolve, at that time our owner Grant Petty was looking in the future, where he was understanding that at one moment, and we're speaking today, content creation will be a big thing. And everybody will create content, no matter it's for your own business, selling ceramic plates, or TV channels who is producing professional content. Everybody is now need to do some level of editing, grading, compositing, and delivering. So DaVinci Resolve we see now used everywhere, literally.
And you are complete everything, cameras, converters, and edition you offer.
Yes, this is one of our ethos. We are not selling, or we're not trying to sell a single product. We try to solve the problem of you have all the tools from acquisition to the delivery. We are looking to build this kind of ecosystem where, you know, no matter of which products you take, or in your example, no matter which camera you're using, it's very easy for you to jump from one product to another without spending hours of learning how works everything, and spending also hours to integrate other products, which obviously doesn't work in the end. So this is where really is the focus of Blackmagic, of building the whole ecosystem around content creation.
The whole ecosystem of Blackmagic Design is possible to see on at ISCC Barcelona. It has been for a couple of years, last years. I think this year, 2026 will be the same. You are very attractive to ISCC.
Yes, ISCC for us became one of the very important events, and yes, ISCC is growing very fast. This is what we see. Last year, for the first time, we start to kind of grow even our representation, and I'm sure we'll continue doing this year, because for us, we see really the excitement around in this event. Of people who are coming and want to experiment with the Blackmagic products. So we are definitely going in the direction to continue building products for the new open standards like SMPTE 2110. And this is a key topic for us as a manufacturer, and we are bringing more and more products in this direction and helping really to revolutionize a standard which was meant only for big broadcasters. Now we see anyone can create a really IP infrastructure using video over IP. Other topics are like you touched film look kind of direction
or cinematic
look. More and more let's say film cameras is used in the live events environments, like for live events, for concerts. You also using a pocket camera, which is meant to be more like a film camera. So this is where I'll be our focus on IC next year. I think what is the beauty of Blackmagic? We try to give a choice to the end customers. And very good example is our cameras that you can change the mount systems. Even from very first camera of Blackmagic, we always kind of try to offer EF mount, PL mount. Now we have cameras with L mount, because we see people coming with a different background. And more, let's say, if someone is coming more from photographic world, they know certain kind of standards like MFT as well. So we try to give this choice to the customer, because we think lenses is a kind of part of the creativity. And some people prefer some lenses, others prefer others, and we are just giving the choice to them.
Thank you. Thank you for the interview.
Thank you very much for having me.